Hey, how you doing, guys? It's Ilya Belly here. I do coding stuff on YouTube. Check the description for all my information. I do all LeetCode problems. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give me a big thumbs up to support it. And this is called path sum tree. You're given a binary tree in which each node contains an integer value. Find the number of paths that sum to a given value. The path does not need to start or end at the root or a leaf, but it must go downwards only from parent nodes to child nodes. That tree has no more. Alright, well, we just need to find the number of paths that sum to a given value. Like here, suppose like sum equals to 8, then we can see that 5 plus 3 equals to 8, 5 plus 2 plus 1 equals to 8, and minus 3 plus 11 equals to 8. We can use a map to solve this problem. We will be calculating the difference from, what we gonna do is that we do depth first search, we go left, then we go right. And when we go left or right, we add the value of the current node to the current sum, like 10 plus 5 equals to 15, then 18, 21, or just 10, 15, 16, and 18, right? And what we're gonna do is that we just need to kind of like we say current sum minus the target, and if the key, that key, current sum minus the target there is into that map, that means that we already got the right path, which equals to the target, to the sum. That's kind of like the basic idea what we're gonna do, and we are moving, we go down the tree, and when we kind of like backtrack, we go from the bottom to the top, we need to release the current path. I'll show you how to do that. First, if root equals to null, we return 0. There is no path. Otherwise, we create map imager map equals to new hash map imager, yeah, that's it. Then we put 0 and 1, and we say we create a helper method, find path sum. We pass root, we pass sum, we pass map, and we pass 0, which means the current sum. Find path sum. Then we need to implement our logic. We say private int find path sum. Tree nodes, current nodes, then int target, which is the sum, and map imager and the current sum. At each call, we need to check whether the current node equals to null. If it's so, then we'll return 0. And when we go down the tree, we need to add the current value to the current sum. Current dot value, the value of the current node, and here we say the number of paths equals to map dot get or default equals to just current sum minus target and 0. In the case when we got the key into that map, then there is a path, so we just get the frequency, right? Otherwise we just get 0, there is no path. And we also need to update the value into that map, or just put the current sum into that map. We say map dot put current sum, or just if we already got that key into that map, we say map dot get or default current sum, or just 0, and we say +1 because we are doing depth research, and at every node we say +1. Yeah, in order to do the right calculation. Then we say int result equals to the number of paths plus, we call this method findPathSum recursively, numpath plus the left branch of that tree and then the right branch of that tree. We say findPathSum current dot left target, then target, then map and current sum plus find path sum at current dot right. We go to your right target, map and current sum. And in order to release the path when we backward, right, when we go from the bottom to the right, we need to say map dot put current sum. We already got the key into that map. Map dot get current sum -1. Finally, we just return result. That's it. That's the whole problem. One more time. If root equals to null, we return 0. We create map. Then we put 0 and 1. the case when suppose like we got sum equal which equals to 8, then we got root equals to 8, and the children of that root equals to null, the children of that root equal to null, then in order to return the right number of path, we say we put 0 and 1, and that means that, you know, that's it. Then we return find path sum, we pass root, we pass sum, which is the target, we say map, and current sum, which equals to 0 initially. We check at each iteration if current equals to null, then we return 0. When we are doing depth per search, we add the value of the current node to the current sum. We say current.value. Then we create the number of path, which equals to map.get or default. We check if that value, if that key exists into that map, then we already got a path, right? Or just a couple of paths. We just get the frequency. The value means frequency. The key means the difference from the current node, suppose we are here, to the root, like you know, current sum minus target, yeah, that's it. And current sum minus target means that there is a path into that map already. If we ain't got a key, then we return 0. We update at each iteration the value at current sum, or just we put the current sum if we doesn't have the current sum yet. This key, we say map.get or default the frequency, or just 0 if we ain't got no key here, and we say +1. And here we calculate the result, the number of path. We say number of path plus find path sum. We go left, and then we go right. Current left, current right, target, map, current sum. And in order to release the current path, we say current sum map.get current sum -1, and we return the result. That's it. Let's run this code and we will see. Accepted. Great. Let's submit. There we go. Success. Thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments below. I want to know what you think. Give me a big thumbs up to support my channel. Subscribe. Follow me on social medias like Instagram, Snapchat, whatever. And see you next time. Have a beautiful day. Bye.